Hello folks, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. It's Monday morning for you all, and I thought we'd start the week off showing some goats here. That's the mama there, and here's the little baby. It was born day before yesterday. Ain't that right, buddy? Yeah. I put them down in here by themselves. This is another first time mama. So far, everything's going good. Yeah. Let's go on up here and we'll check out some more. Hello there, Buster. How are you? Yeah. Okay, let's go on up in here. Now these is the ones that's born back in the winter. You guys just lounging today. There's several back up in there. Yeah. Y'all up in the hay, I see. Hello there, little cutie. Yeah. Step out here. I see you guys are enjoying the sun. Yeah. Yeah, you like to talk, don't you? Yeah, you do. Hi, buddy. Yeah. No, we don't have no cookies yet. Not yet, honey. In a little bit. Hello, little bit. These three here is the ones we've been raising in the house, the three bottle babies. Now you can see that black one. His ears are white on the end, and that's what it is where he's lost his hair on the ends of them. The veterinary gave us some cream. He said it was a fungus. We had one a few years ago, had got that after we started putting wood shavings in there for him. And shortly thereafter, it was all new stuff, new carrier, new everything. And he got that on his ears just like that other one did. But she growed out of it. She's still down here. What we've been doing, we'll bring them up here daytime. It's starting to warm up enough at night. Any other time they'd have been fine, but where we took them to the house, we gotta get them acclimated to the temperature at nighttime. I think they're giving a couple cool nights this coming week, but they'll be moving into this barn, into a pen we got fixed up. Here's one down here in this other barn. Yeah, you got in out of the sun, didn't you? Yeah. It's warm today. It says it's 83. Yeah, I see another one right behind you back there. See some way down there? Well, as soon as I start down, they get off the little ramp thing, the toy I fixed for them that time. They probably think it's time to eat. Yeah, there's old Purdy boy. Now get off of her. You're too young to be doing that there. I seen your little baby. She's inside there. Purdy boy, you need to stop that. I bet you're hot out here. Hi, Lizzie. Yeah. You got you a dark streak down your back, don't you? Yeah. Yeah, you're a pretty little girl, aren't you? Yeah. Hi, little guys. Yeah, we had to put some wove wire. It's some old wove wire we had. We put it around the cattle panel. This one fence is nothing but cattle panel here in the front. And the little guys, they're able to, yeah, they're able to get through it. Well, folks, I just thought I'd show you there the goats. Something happy here to get started the week off with. I hope everybody has a blessed week, blessed day. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday for What's for Supper Wednesday. Carolyn may be fixing something this week there. I think maybe her poison ivy's starting to get better, hopefully. She's had a rough time with it. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. We'll see you Wednesday.
Holmans Homestead in the springtime. Morning sun breaking through the trees, fresh cut grass and a cool spring breeze. Baby goats bouncing full of life, little hooves dancing in the morning light. Garden rows lined up straight and true, hands in the dirt, got work to do. Seeds in the ground, faith in the rain, watching everything come up again. It's springtime on Holmans Homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Holmans Homestead. Mama goat's calling, babies run, chickens scratching in the sun, windmills spinning nice and slow, thankful for this life we grow. Every sunset paints the sky, seasons change but so do I. Right here's where we're meant to be, living slow and living free. It's springtime on Holmans Homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Holmans Homestead. So we'll keep on growing day by day, sharing this life the country way, from our home out here instead. Thank you for watching from Holmans Homestead.